Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to back up WhatsApp message. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Now over here you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I tap on this WhatsApp, and now over here to back up message, first of all tap on these three dots on the top right, and over here to back up message, tap on this chats. And over here scroll down, and over here you can see here is chat backup. Tap on this, and now over here you'll find this backup setting. Tap on this backup, and now you can see backing up message. That means our backup is started. And now wait for a while until this backup is completed. And now you can see backup is completed over here. So in this way we can back up messages on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.